Question number first, the infiltration capacity of the given soil. All these questions in this video are asked in this Nagar Parishad Mains 2018. You have 5 seconds to find the correct answer. The answer to the first question is second, decrease with increases in the initial soil moisture. Infiltration. Infiltration process by which water sweeps into the surface strata of the earth. Infiltration is the process by which water on the ground surface enter the soil. It is commonly used in both hydrology and soil science. Infiltration capacity, short form of Fcap. F is the actual rate of infiltration. It is the maximum rate at which a given soil at a given rate can absorb water. Units are equal to centimeter per hour or mm per hour. If I is the intensity of rainfall and F is the actual rate of infiltration, sandy soil has a more infiltration capacity compared to clayey soil. Infiltration capacity rate for a given soil decreases with the time. Question number 2. Which one of the following is or are commonly used evaporimeter? Correct answer option 4, all of the above. Types of evaporators. The first one, evaporimeter. These are pan containing water which are exposed to the atmosphere. Loss of water by evaporation from these pans are measured at regular intervals daily. Meteorological data such as humidity, wind velocity, air, and the water temperature and precipitation are also measured and noted along with evaporations. First one, type of evaporators. The standard USWB Class A pan evaporimeter is the most widely used evaporimeter in the world for finding evaporation for the free water surface. A pan of diameter 1210 mm and the depth is 255 mm. Depth of water is maintained between 18 and 20 cm. The pan is made of unpainted GI sheet. The pan is placed on a wooden platform of height 15 cm above ground level to allow free air circulation below the pan. Evaporation is measured by measuring the depth of water in a sealing well with a hook gauge. Second type of evaporators, ISI standard pan, specified by IS 5973 and known as modified class A pan. A pan of diameter 1220 mm and the depth is 255 mm. The pan is made of copper sheet 0.9 mm thick, thinned inside and the painted white outside. Pan is placed on a square wooden platform of width is 1225 mm and the height is 100 mm above the ground level. To allow free air circulation below the pan, a fixed point gauge indicates the level of water. Water is added to or removed from the pan to maintain the water level at a fixed mark using a calibrated cylindrical measure. The top of the pan is covered with the hexagonal wire net of GA to protect water in the pan from birds. Presence of wire mesh makes the temperature of water more uniform during the day, and the night evaporation from this pan is about 14% lower as compared to that from an unskinned pan. Of evaporators, Colorado Sucan pan, 920 mm square pan made up of unpainted GI sheet 460 mm deep and buried into the ground within 100 mm of the top. Main advantage of this pan, it is aerodynamic and the radiation characteristics are similar to that of lake, and the disadvantage, difficult to detect lakes and expensive to install. Extra care is needed to keep the surrounding area free from tall grass and the dust, etc. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the best method to convert the point rainfall values at a various station into an average value over a catchment when stations are large in number? Right option first, Isohyetal Method. Average rainfall may be done by the following method. First one method is arithmetic mean method. This technique coagulator area precipitation using the arithmetic mean of all the point or aerial measurement considered in the analysis. Second one method is Thissen Polygon method. Rainfall record at each station is given a weightage on the basis of an area closest to the station. Third one method is Isohyetal method. Accurate method compared to the above two, suitable for a hilly regions, and isohyetal is the line joining points of equal rainfall. Question number 4. Which one of the following is referred to as the interface between two distant air masses? Correct option first, front. Types of precipitation. The first one cyclonic precipitation, second one convective precipitation, and the third one orographic precipitation. Let's look at the first type. First one, cyclonic precipitation. It results from lifting of air masses converging into a low pressure area. Second type is convective precipitation. It results from natural rising of warmer, lighter air in colder and denser surroundings. Third one type is orographic precipitation. It results from lifting of warm moisture due to topographical barriers. Question number 5. Which one of the following instruments is or are used to measure the precipitation value? First one pluviometer, second one ohmrometer, and the third one hydrometer. Right option 4, first, second and third. Question number 6. The probability P of occurrence of flood at least once over a period of a successive years is given by the formula. Correct option first, 1 minus bracket 1 minus p raised to n. Question number 7. For mean annual flood, the value of return period in Gumbel method is equal to. Correct option first, t equal to 2.33 years. Gumbel method widely used probability distribution function flood for prediction of flood peaks. Gumbel equation for practical use xt equal to x bar plus k sigma. Gumbel distribution has the property which gives t equal to 2.33 years for the average of the annual series when record length is very large. The value of flood with t equal to 2.33 years is called the mean annual flood. Question number 8. First statement. The maximum rate at which the ground can absorb water is known as infiltration capacity. Statement 2. The volume of water that the ground can hold is known as field capacity. Correct option 3. Both statement first and second are true. Question number 9. Which one of the following rain gauge is adopted by the Indian Standard IS Code 5235 and 1969 as the standard recording type rain gauge? Right option 4th, natural siphon type. Question number 10. If the size of water drops lies in the range of 0.5 mm to 6 mm, then the form of precipitation will be. Correct option first, rain. Explanation. Below are the all sizes. First one, rain. Size of drop 0.5 mm to 6 mm. Second one, drizzle. Size of drop less than 0.5 mm. Third one, hail. Lumps of ice more than 8 mm size.